Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying compatibility and enabling the features that drive Dynamic Island. Make sure your iPhone runs iOS 16. One or newer, then turn on notifications and live activities so events can appear. Once done, open a supported app such as Music, Timer, or Maps to trigger the island. You're not just opening apps, you're allowing system alerts and ongoing tasks to surface in that top area, which is essential for the island to show contextual content immediately. Next, learn the gestures and customization that make Dynamic Island useful. Tap the island for quick controls, long press to expand multi-item views, and swipe to dismiss transient alerts. These gestures let you interact without leaving your current app. Make sure to adjust focus and notification priorities so only relevant live activities appear, and open app settings to fine-tune ongoing alerts. This reduces clutter and ensures the island surfaces timely information instead of noisy, irrelevant updates while you work or drive. To finish, optimize performance and handle issues so Dynamic Island stays reliable. Close or force quit apps that freeze the island and restart your phone if the area becomes unresponsive. This clears temporary glitches. If specific live activities misbehave, disable them in that app's notification settings or reset notification permissions. Make sure you keep iOS updated for stability, and if problems persist, use the Feedback app to report bugs. Doing so helps developers fix underlying issues and improves your experience over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.